Which act was amended during Willingdon's tenure to address civil unrest? Indian Press Act, Criminal Law Amendment Act, Government of India Act, 1935, Rowlatt Act. Criminal Law Amendment Act. Explanation: the Criminal Law Amendment Act of 1908 and subsequent amendments were used by the British government to suppress political activity and unrest. These acts allowed for the banning of associations, restrictions on public gatherings, and expedited trials, which the government used to quell civil disobedience. Lord Willingdon, as Viceroy of India, implemented and further used this act to address rising tensions and unrest during his time in office. Why the other options are less suitable? Indian Press Act. This act was primarily used to control the press and restrict the spread of seditious material, addressing a specific form of dissent but not broadly the spectrum of civil unrest. Government of India Act, 1935. This was a major constitutional reform aimed at establishing a federation of British India and the princely states. While it had ramifications for governance and indirectly addressed unrest, it was not specifically designed or directly amended to quell civil unrest. Rowlatt Act. This act was passed much earlier and was a source of major civil unrest that Willingdon attempted to suppress. While he did address unrest as a result, this act was not amended during his tenure.